Evie!
It's your gift. You can play with it after she opens it. What is it? What is it? Cookie, you're doing good, Jazzy. I can't believe Jazzy. I don't remember seeing her.
She opens everything.
What's your gift, Evie?
She's like, I don't know, I'll wait till my sister opens it and then I'll see.
She'll tell me what it is.
Jazzy!
Oh, she left it there for her. Evie, go get your gift. What is that?
Jazzy, not nice. You left it in her bed for her? You leave it in her bed for her?
Oh, is that her bed?
Yeah.
Aww. She did. So I guess Jazzy wants that one, and she's leaving the other one for Evie.
Nice.
Evie, what is this?
Bijou.
Is your name Evie? I don't think so. Yay! Good job for opening it, Jazzy.
Thank you, Jazzy. That's why I can't put Christmas presents under the tree. You see now?
Now I know.